how much should you actually spend on a self-threading sewing machine? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Brother XM2701. The Brother XM2701 is a lightweight sewing machine that caught my eye with its solid performance and price of just $149. With 27 built-in stitches and 6 included feet, this machine is perfect for beginners and those who want to take on everyday sewing projects. If you want a reliable machine that makes sewing easy, this is worth a serious look. Here's why the XM2701 stands out. It features an automatic needle threader, meaning you won't waste time struggling to get the thread through the needle. Plus, the drop-in top bobbin is jam-resistant, making your sewing experience much smoother. With a solid 4.6-star rating from nearly 19,000 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate its simplicity and efficiency. Now, some people complained about the lack of advanced features for more complex projects. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting or doing basic sewing, this limitation isn't a deal breaker. It still offers enough versatility for most users. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or looking for a straightforward machine that gets the job done without fuss. Skip this one if you're a seasoned sewer needing a lot of advanced features. For the price, you really can't go wrong with this one. Now, if the XM2701's basic features bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Brother SE700. Next up is the Brother SE700, which is more than just a sewing machine. It's a combination sewing and embroidery machine priced at $529.99. The first thing that grabbed my attention was its wireless connectivity, allowing you to transmit embroidery files directly from your PC. If you're looking to dive into both sewing and embroidery, this is worth a serious look. This machine features a 4x4 embroidery field and comes loaded with 135 built-in designs and 103 stitches. The large 3.7-inch touchscreen makes it easy to navigate and preview your designs before stitching. Plus, the automatic needle threader and jam-resistant bobbin mean you can get started without hassle. This model has a solid 4.4-star rating from 938 reviews, indicating that many users love its features. Now, some users noted that the learning curve can be a bit steep for those new to sewing and embroidery. But here's the thing, if you're committed to learning, the SE700 offers powerful tools that make the effort worthwhile. This is perfect for you if you're an aspiring embroiderer or someone looking to combine sewing and embroidery in one machine. Skip this if you only want to do basic sewing without the embroidery functions. Given its dual capabilities, the value is solid for those who want both functionalities. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something simpler. Product number 3, Brother CS5055. The Brother CS5055 is another great option at just $134. It has a sleek design and a user-friendly LCD display that makes sewing intuitive. If you want a budget-friendly machine that still provides a solid range of features, this is worth a serious look. With 60 built-in stitches, including utility and decorative options, it covers a wide variety of projects. The improved needle threader makes threading easy, and the jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin keeps everything running smoothly. The CS5055 has a solid 4.6-star rating from over 3,400 reviews, which speaks to its reliability and ease of use. Now, some users mentioned that the machine can be noisy during operation. Here's the thing though, if you're doing casual sewing at home, the noise is pretty negligible compared to the ease of use and features it offers. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a solid, beginner-friendly machine without breaking the bank. Skip this if you need a heavy-duty machine for large projects. For the price, the features make it an excellent value. Now, if the CS5055's noise level bothered you, the next option might be quieter and more powerful. Product number 4, Brother XR9550. This brings us to the Brother XR9550, a computerized sewing and quilting machine priced at $239.99. With 165 built-in stitches, this machine offers an impressive range of options for various projects. If you're serious about sewing and quilting, this is worth a serious look. It's rated 4.6 stars from 4,600 reviews, which indicates that many users appreciate its versatility and ease. Now, some customers mention that it can be a bit bulky and heavy, which might not suit everyone's needs. But here's the thing, if you're committed to quilting or larger sewing projects, the stability is actually a plus. This is perfect for you if you're a quilter or someone who wants a machine that can handle a wide range of sewing tasks. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight and portable. For what you get, it's a great value for serious sewing enthusiasts. Now, if the weight of the XR9550 is a concern, the last machine on my list is designed for heavy-duty sewing and compact enough to move around. Product number 5, Singer 4423. Finally, we have the Singer 4423 heavy-duty sewing machine priced at $215.87. This machine has a powerful motor and can sew at 1,100 stitches per minute, making it a true workhorse. If you want a heavy-duty machine that can handle a variety of fabrics, this is worth a serious look. The strong metal frame provides stability, which is essential for tackling thick seams or heavier materials. With a rating of 4.5 stars from over 21,000 reviews, it's clear that this machine is trusted by many. Now, some users have reported issues with the thread tension being tricky to adjust. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the machine's performance is worth the learning curve. This is perfect for you if you frequently sew heavy fabrics or need a machine that can handle tough tasks. Skip this if you're looking for something light and portable. For its durability and power, the value is excellent. In conclusion, we've covered 5 solid self-threading sewing machines, from the budget-friendly Brother XM2701 to the powerhouse Singer 4423. Each offers unique features that cater to different sewing needs. In conclusion, we've covered 5 solid self-threading sewing machines, from the budget-friendly Brother XM2701 to the powerhouse Singer 4423. Each offers unique features that cater to different sewing needs. Whether you're a beginner looking for simplicity or an experienced sewer needing a heavy-duty machine, there's definitely something here for you.